its members often struggle to fulfill the duties and responsibilities that the institution bestows on them, occasionally circumstances help the institution focus on the important issues of the day in a productive manner, full stop. Unhappily, after the PTI federal government surrendered to the mob in the streets last week, Parliament on Monday put up an embarrassing performance as it ostensibly attempted to sift through the damage caused by the event of last week. Full stop. Both the government and the opposition ought to recognize their role in allowing a parliamentary session to be suddenly adjourned overnight as a pair of MNAs from the Treasury and opposition benches nearly came to blows on the floor of the National Assembly. Full stop. A more muted session yesterday suggested that the custodians of the House on all sides recognized that the events of the day before were unparliamentary and ought not to be repeated. Full stop. With the new parliament less than 3 months into its term, it would be unfair to suggest that all the failings of parliament on show this week are entirely unprecedented. Full stop. An 11th year of elected continuity in the country has failed to give a centrality to parliament that the democratic process requires. Full stop. Paragraph. But there are several reasons why the current parliament appears to be wearing of course, and those reasons ought to be addressed. Full stop. First, it appears that Speaker of the National Assembly Asad Kaisar is a parliamentarian out of his depth. Full stop. While Mr. Kaisar served as Speaker of the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Assembly in the previous term, when the Assembly had a fractious governing coalition and significant opposition, it is apparent that he is struggling to impose his authority on the National Assembly. Full stop. Senior and junior members of the National Assembly alike often appear to ignore Mr. Cassard's orders, and that can cause House discipline to quickly break down. Full stop. Speaker Cassar can and must do better. Full stop. Second, Prime Minister Imran Khan appears to be fast losing interest in the functioning of Parliament and has not yet held a single session of Prime Minister's question hours. Full stop.